Welcome to Kevin Fang channel. In today's video, we have a shocking update in the forex industry. Someone just made close to $140,000 trading Jeffery Benson's signal. Okay, most of you will not like what I will say at the end of this video, but please watch the video from now to the end critically and get every point bit by bit. I'm going to dive into the details of this video when I come back from this short break. Don't go anywhere.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
Welcome back, guys. I greet you, mentor. I greet you. No be you. Touch that guy that wants to blow his account on NFP day. No be you. He's planning to trade NFP. No be you. Touch that guy that's no be you now. That guy wearing orange t-shirts. No be you. Yes. I greet you, mentor. I greet you for preparation of NFP. I will start by congratulating Raymond. His name is Raymond, the guy who made close to 200 million naira trading XAUUSD. All right, that is gold. You know how gold behaves. That is an almighty trade, almighty pair. It can make you rich overnight and it can make you broke overnight. So what happened is that the guy actually used a $300 account and over leveraged. Okay, he went hard. That is go hard or go home. He was using 5 lot, so many positions, and then he was able to achieve that. And I think that trade ran for like 5 days or more. You understand what I'm saying? It wasn't just a day trade, and he made that kind of amount for himself. Now, let me sound this very clearly. This is a disclaimer. Whatever I'm saying here now is my personal opinion. You can say your own politely in the comment section, or you open your YouTube channel around your village and drop your comments there, all right? Now, what I want to say about this is this. This video you saw now, where someone made $130-something thousand, is not as easy as it may look. I greet you, all right? Because some people will see this video as a motivation and try to go home. Let me just tell you the truth. It is just 1 out of 100 that plays out like this. All right, most people will not tell you this, but that's just the truth. If 100 persons try this crazy thing, all right, only 1 out of the 100 persons that tried it will survive it. All right, most times the result ends up in a disastrous way. Okay, now $300 trading gold with that kind of leverage or that kind of lot size most time blows up the account. It's just grace, and then that same grace may not be in your corner or may not be with you. Then you will try to go hard, and then you find yourself very close to your village, if not in your village town hall. All right, now forex trading as a whole demands risk management. You must be a risk manager before you can make profit from this game. You can gamble forex if you have enough money, actually, because gamblers make money. You can gamble forex, like take the risk and make money. This life generally itself is grace of God. Some persons can even start forex trading today, and then due to gambling, he gambled $500 and he makes a lot of million for himself. And then from that million, he stopped trading. Human beings are like that. But we have our respective grace. The way God created me is not the same way he created you. Okay, so the only thing is be yourself. Don't try to be like another person. Follow the fundamental basics of forex, and then you see yourself making profit. All right, now one other thing I want to say about this is this guy traded from Jeffery Benson's signal. That is the Telegram channel where he drops signal. That is very okay, but I must also tell you that it is not 100% guaranteed that taking signal from Telegram channel will make you successful. All right, because some people will be like, okay, because of this video, let us start joining signal groups. Any kind of signal group you see on Telegram, you join. You open a signal channel, you join. Baba, it is not guaranteed that you are going to make money taking signals from Telegram channels, especially free Telegram channels, unless you are paying for maybe a VIP of a responsible trader, a trader in short, because you have so many persons that call themselves gurus in forex, millionaires, forex, this and that, but they cannot trade. If you check their overall trade in a month, they are running a lot of loss, but they will not show you that part. They will always only show you the part where they are successful. All right, this video, is not in any way trying to criticize this act. In fact, the truth is that Raymond made profit, and from what I saw, it was an Exness rail account, and then I saw blue. I saw a lot of profit. Jeffery Benson said the guy traded from his Telegram channel. I'm not disputing that fact, but I'm telling you watching me now that it is not as easy as it may look. there in that video. All right, so whatever you're doing in forex, my best advice for you is don't even put so much emotion in it. Don't try to attach all your life in forex. Let me tell you something. Forex puts high blood pressure into people. I've not even seen a video talking about this on YouTube, but this is truth. Some forex traders are dying of high blood pressure, but nobody will tell you this, because this act of trying to always monitor the chart and then anxiety that comes along with forex, it increases your blood pressure. And you know what the implication of blood pressure? Heart attack and stroke. You understand? If you have your BP going up to, let's say, 130, 140, 150, 160, Baba, check yourself. Even go off forex trading and go and treat yourself, because this thing is just a probability sector, and you and I have no power over the market. It belongs to these big players, the government and the banks. All right. So what you do is do the little you can with your risk management, and then you are good. Even if it is $10 you are making from the forex charts every day, you are a big person. I must be honest with you. You understand? Now check your health. Use this opportunity. Go to a chemist. They should use the BP machine. Check yourself. Very, very important. Read your BP first before looking at how to make 200 million naira in a particular trade, especially SAU USD. In fact, see SAU USD, see high blood pressure. All right, they go hand in hand. If you're not careful, if you take a loss, it adds a kind of pressure. Maybe adds 10mm mercury to your blood pressure. So this is all I have to say about this video. I know some people will not be happy about it. Maybe they will be like, yes, why not just support? Why am I always negative? But I'm positive about the trade. I'm just trying to say my opinion, what I think about the whole thing and how forex is in general. Now, before I end this video, please, I want you guys to check up on Fastbull. Fastbull is a reliable platform. In fact, they are free of charge, and they offer you a lot of offers which you can't even see in TradingView. They have unique features like you can split your chart. You can be seeing Euro USD here, you see GBP USD here, you see SAU. You can be analyzing them in a multiple chart. Fastbull will do this for you, and you can customize your time frame. Maybe you don't want 1 hour time frame, you want to see how 2 minutes time frame works, or 1 minute, or even seconds. Fastbull will also give you that. So I will leave the link of Fastbull in my description box. Go there. Nothing is you are not being charged. You cannot pay anything for any service. In fact, they even offer AI signals. Maybe you want to take a signal from people. First of all, you see somebody dropping signal there, analyze the person. Okay, they have a ranking, and then the result the person has been producing every month. Then if you see him topping the rank, you can actually say, okay, let me be trying a signal in a month and make profit for yourself. If it works for you, then so be it. Now, this will be the end of this video. I'm going to see you next when I come back. Bye for now.